The game of life, how to play. The object of the game is to be the player with the most money at the end. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, spin the spinner and move your car forward along the path following the direction of the arrows by the number of spaces spun. You may not move backwards. When you pass a green payday space, collect your salary as indicated on your career card. If you land on a green payday space, then you collect an additional 100K bonus. When you land on an action space, take the top action card from the deck, read it aloud, except for the yellow highlighted text at the bottom, and follow the instructions. Keep the action cards you draw in a face-down pile by you until the end of the game to earn more money. When you land on a spin to win space, all players choose a number on the spin to win wheel and place their token on that number. You get to put a second silver token on a second number since you landed on the space. Spin the spinner until a number with a token on it comes up. That player wins 200K and the tokens are returned. When you land on a baby space, add as many pegs to your car as the space tells you. When you land on a house space, you may choose to buy a house, sell a house, or do nothing. To buy a house, draw the top 2 cards from the house deck and pick one. Pay the bank the purchase price and return the other to the bottom of the deck. Place the newly purchased home face up in front of you. You may own more than one house. To sell a house, spin the spinner and look at the center colored area to see if it is red or black. Collect the sales price as indicated on the card by the color from the bank, then return the card to the bottom of the deck. When you land on a pet space, draw a pet card, read it aloud, and do what it says. Add the card to your collection of action cards until the end of the game for more money. When you come to a stop space, you must stop moving even if you had moves left. After resolving your stop, you always spin and move again. Each stop space is different and are as follows. Graduation. Take the top 2 college career cards from the deck, pick one to put face up in front of you, and put the other back under the deck. Get married. Add another people peg to your car, then spin. If you spin red, every other player gives you 50K. If you spin black, then every other player gives you 100K. Night school. If you don't want to change your career, you don't have to. If you want to change your career, pay the bank 100K. Take the top college career card from the deck. If you want it, swap it with your current career card. If not, put it back under the deck. Family. Pick a direction to travel. Baby. Spin the spinner to see how many babies you've had. Add the appropriate people pegs to your car. Risky. Pick a direction to travel. If ever you don't have enough money to pay a debt or buy something, you must take out a bank loan. The banker gives you 50K plus 1 white bank loan each time you borrow. Pay the loan back at any time by returning it along with 60K to the bank. When you reach the retirement space, choose whether to go to the millionaire mansion or the countryside acres. Park your car, kick back, and wait for everyone else to retire. Collect your retirement bonus from the bank as follows. The first to retire receives 400K. The second receives 300K. The third, 200K. The fourth, 100K. Once everyone has retired, everyone pays back their debts and you add up their wealth. Sell all your houses. Collect 100K for each action and pet card you have. Collect 50K for each baby you have. Pay the bank 60K for each loan. Add up all your cash together. The player with the most money wins.